Alright, this is a ShereScan, and over here what it is, there's a manual here, PDF format. And all the directions for how to use this are in this manual. And to run the program, you click on the ShereScan icon here, which I have opened already. Here's your control panel. Alright, and what you need to do is you can call up a particular scan. I have the sample right here. It's going to look at sheet resistance, and we should be getting a reading close to 44.8 ohms per square. Set the sample in there. I'm using this particular file setting that I saved. I'll open that up. So we have the dimensions of the wafer here, 75 millimeter diameter, 75 millimeter, and you get your shape here. And where the dots are is where we're going to take a reading, sheet resistance reading. Okay, in this case I'm going to leave the door open so that we can see it operational, but you can close the door and it will operate. I'll go to measurements here and I'll start the sheet scan. And it's going to store the data, so it's asking me where to put the results. So I have a folder here called results. Open that and I'll just call it NICR. Down here, CR4, and then we'll start taking its readings. There's a vacuum pump inside that turns on to hold the wafer firm against the platform. Okay, now save the results in a file called NICR00004.txt in a results directory. And over here you can see we got an average of 47.3. Standard deviation is 0.7. You get your medium, maximum, and minimum. So there's a lot of functionality in the software. I suggest reading the manual to explain how to use it. It's a little too much to cover here. Again, I minimize it. I can open up the, I'll close it. Okay, I opened up the ShereScan program again, and it's asking for a password, and it's in the manual, but top TOP level, L-E-V-E-L, will get you into the engineering mode. And then I can change the, I can do a PN determination. I wanted to show you that, to determine whether it's a P or N type wafer. Here I'm just going to do one scan on the wafer. I'm going to, well, I guess this will work. I could change the dimensions. Since this is a 4-inch wafer, I'll put down 100 by 100 by 100 here. We'll go to measurements. It shows you how this is being determined, and I'll just do a start PN scan. And if you look at the results, it's telling you it's an N-type wafer.